Hello. This is a sample from the field. It's a gravel material. We want to do a test called particle size distribution or grading. So we will sample using a sieve 20 mm. Then we will go and take some weight, then we'll soak it, and then the process will continue. I'll show you, go step by step. Let's go. So this is a sieve 20 millimeter sieve. This is the one that we use to sample a gravel. Then we put it here. This is a pan. This is a spade. So the first thing we will do, we will mix. It's already mixed, but we can just mix this way. I'll show you step by step how we do it. Use now. So we add some water, we soak till it covers the whole sample. Then we mix it very well, then wait up for 24 hours.